In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extensions from Google Chrome. So if you have a particular extension you want to remove or uninstall from your Google Chrome, this is how you can do it. First of all, you can easily identify extension with the extension logo at the top right corner of your screen. As you add extension to your Google Chrome, this should appear at the top right corner of your screen. The quickest way to do this is to simply click on this, and here you're going to see all the extensions that you have downloaded. To remove or delete an extension, come to the three dots beside the extension and click on this. Here you are going to see remove from Chrome. Click on remove from Chrome and then click on remove. This is going to uninstall the extension and remove the extension from your Google Chrome. Well, that's the quickest way to do it. The other way you can do this is click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and if you scroll down a little, you're going to see extension. Hover over extension and you should see manage extension. Now click on manage extension and this will take you to your extension manager. On this page, you see all the extensions that you have installed on Google Chrome. To remove an extension, simply come below the extension and click on remove and then click on remove again. This will remove the extension from your Chrome browser. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to remove extension from Google Chrome, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like, share this video, subscribe and have the post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.